looks like Sturley's moved up into the 4 spot. Still running Chet, Will, there's Brianza and Sturley in the 4 spot. Looks like Martin and Nigel battling it out for 4 and 5. Oh, Will on his lid. So first under is Chet. We got Chet, Will, Jason, Mike, Sturley, Martin, Nigel, Michael Lambert. Chet's starting to pull away. 2, 3, and 4, Mike, Jay, and Will here battling out, coming down the straight. Will push up the 2 spot, Jay's keeping in the 3. Mike in the 4. We got Martin in the 5 now, followed by Nigel and Lambert. So lots of racing left, 5.5 minutes to go, guys. And Jason Ansley having problems. He's on his lid again. Trying to give Mike Sturley the number 3 spot, and he's having a problem. So Mike Sturley jumping into the 3. Jason in the 4, and Martin in the 5, Nigel in the 6, Mike Lambert in the 7. Chet on pace for a 15.703. We're done in the 2nd spot, on pace for a 14.703. Sturley on pace for a 13.703. Amsler on pace for a 13.715. Martin on pace for a 13.719. Nigel on pace for a 12.719. And Mike Lambert on pace for 11.734. Chet with a 9.5 second lead over Will right now. Mike Sturley's 8 seconds behind Will. And Amsler 2.5 seconds behind Mike for the 3 spot. Martin's still in the 5. He's 3.5 seconds behind the number 4. So Chet with a 10-second lead now. The running order: Chet, Will, Mike Sturley, Jason Amsler, Nigel, Martin, and Mike Lambert.
4 minutes left.
Chet now with a 12-second lead. He's pulling away from Will. He's got about a second a lap on him so far. The leader coming down the straight, under the loop, and over the quad. Your number 2 car now coming down the straight. That's the difference between 1st and 2nd, but a half a lap. One mistake though, and it could be a whole new ball game. Amsler on his lid again. He's going to leave the spot to Nigel. Oh, he gets it back. So that's what's about all there, 4 and 5. Nigel and Jay, the purple and the yellow car. Cheddar leaders right in front of them. Going over the 6-pack right now. 3 minutes to go, guys. Mike Sturley having a solid race too. Coming down the straight now. Give him Chet some room. He's still in the 3 spot. 19 seconds behind the 2nd spot, but he's only got a 1.5 seconds on Jason, so this 3, 4, 5 is going to be a tight race here. 2.5 minutes to go, guys. Chet's still on pace for a 15.703. Will got on pace for a 15.723. Mike Sturley on pace for a 14.725. Amsler on pace for a 14.728. Nigel on pace for a 13.702. Martin on pace for a 13.721, and Mike on pace for an 11.705. So that's your running order. Chet, Will, Jason, Sturley, Nigel, Martin, and Mike Lambert. Chet picked up the pace there a bit by a couple of seconds. He's on pace for 15.705. Mike Sturley, 25 seconds behind Will Dunn, and Will Dunn is 9.5 seconds behind Chet, so he's made up a little bit of ground on Chet there. That's not the type of guy to make many mistakes, though. Minute and 20 seconds left to go, guys. Seven and a half seconds now is difference between 1 and 2. So Will's pulling it on here, trying to catch Chet.
One minute left.
So it's Chet, Will, Mike, Sterling, Nigel Walker, Jason Amler, Martin, and Michael Lambert. Ooh, Will. 6 seconds now behind Chet, so he's picking up about a second a lap here. Chet's just taking it easy. 35 seconds left to go, he probably can. What? Chet Kelsey on pace for 15.707. Will Dunn, 6.6 is your difference there, so not really changed that lap. Will needs Chet to make a mistake. Looks like they're not going to make it. This is going to be it. When you cross the line, you are done. Nigel, you're done. Chet's going to take this one. Chet takes it with a 50.